In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Square invoices. Customizing your invoices with your company's branding is a professional touch that can enhance your business image. So let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you regularly use. Head over to the Square website. If you haven't visited before, just type Square into your search bar, and it should be one of the first results. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you have your credentials handy. Enter your username and password, and in just a few moments, you should be on the main dashboard of your Square account. Now that you're logged in, look at the top section of the page and find where your company name is displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. Once you're in Account Settings, navigate to My Business. This is where you'll be able to make changes specific to your business profile. So far, so good. Let's keep moving. Under the My Business section, you'll notice an option for Branding. This is exactly where we need to be to add that personal touch to your invoices. You should see a button labeled plus Create New under Branding. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a new interface where you can start adding your personal branding elements. Here, you can upload your company logo. Make sure you have the logo file ready on your computer in a commonly accepted format like PNG or JPEG for easy uploading. When you've found your logo file, upload it into the designated area. But wait, there's more. You can also select a color theme that matches your brand identity. This color will appear on your invoices alongside your logo, creating a cohesive and professional look. The interface will typically give you a wide range of colors to choose from, so go ahead and find one that suits your brand the best. Finally, the most crucial step. Don't forget to save your changes. It might seem like a small detail, but ensuring that everything is saved means your logo and colors will appear on future invoices without a hitch. Once you've hit that Save button, you're all done. Your logo is now part of your Square invoices, adding that extra layer of professionalism and personalization. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out others for more tips on optimizing your Square account. See you next time.